Today guys, I will show you how to delete your account Reddit. How to delete your Reddit account, just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Reddit first like this. And right now you should go and open here this profile. Click on the settings here. And right now go and click on account settings. Scroll down and click on the red button, delete account. Click. And are you sure you want to delete your account? Once you delete your account, your profile and your username, to permanently remove it from Reddit and your post, click yes and finish the other steps. And that's all guys. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.